Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, today's demonstration we will see how to define a recipes in webmethod.io integration. Okay. So basically we need to understand the concept of a recipes, how you can define your implementation of a recipes. Okay. So let me clear the concept of a recipes. Recipes is nothing but it's a pre-built templates based on the most common integration needs and can significantly reduce the effort required to build a workflow or flow service. You can preview and use workflow and flow service recipes for your project by using the recipes feature. Okay, so let me open the Softwareag.cloud tenant so that I'll give the demo. Okay, so let's start the demo. Once you click on your recipes option, here you can see the workflows and flow service recipes are there. Okay, so you no need to configure any kind of trigger, any kind of clock, any kind of any another connectors triggers as well. You just any recipes you require in your workflow or flow service, you can just preview and use the recipe. Click on use recipe option so that whatever build, whatever structure recipes have, it directly invoke in your flow service or workflows. If you want any kind of a notification on your email, also we have option you can just put your email ID as per the requirement and then you can receive a notification as well on your registered mail ID. Yeah, whatever mail ID you mention in your workflows or recipes. Okay. At the time of connectivity, yeah, at the time of like once you click on use recipe, let me show you. See, here preview option is available. So this is a repeat clock trigger. It's also clock trigger and start and end. You can see here send an email option is available. Logger option is available. Okay, this is a workflow. Basically, no need to configure anything. It's just a pre-built template. You can just you can just use click on use recipe. It will directly you can use in your workflows or flow service. Okay, and once you click on a flow service also, here we have option. These are the also pre-configured template preview and use recipe option is available. Let me show you quickly the first recipes. Here see guys, try catch block error handling everything is there. Mapping also mentioned, no need to doing anything, any kind of a design, any kind of a development. Whatever recipes you require, you can just check and you can just in your flow service as well. Okay, so just click on workflows recipes and I'll click on the first recipe. These are the recipes and here you can see the description as well. So description specifies periodically execute the workflow and invoke a child workflow that will sync Vipa inventory receipts with the service now and receiving the slips. Okay. So click on use recipe option. Here you need to specify your project name. Okay. Select the project in which you want to import this workflow. Okay. If I select the default project name, then click on done. Okay. After that, here you can see the workflow name. Also description are mentioned and also they describe how it works. Okay. So how it works, whenever the master workflow is via repeat clock trigger, it will calculate the start time and end time based on the workflow repeat interval and invoke the child workflow by sending the start time and end time as a parameters. Also, the configure one warning is there. If the workflow you are trying to import contain a flow service with the same name as an existing flow service in the selected project, then the existing flow service will replace with a new flow service. It means two flow service names are similar, then that case the new like existing one will replace by new one. That is the case. And also they mention the parameter. So project parameter let you define a custom key pairs which can be used inside any workflow of the project. Okay, so this like recipe is basically what it works and the warnings and parameters also mentioned. And if you want any kind of email notification, you need to mention your email id and cc email as well and clock and then import. So whatever content particular recipes consist, it will directly import in your workflows. Let me show you the another recipes as well as example. So if I click on the second recipes, and if I select the project name here, then there is description. You can see this workflow, like this recipe is what it does. It does send email notification via Gmail for a completed task as a Asana. Okay, how it works? In the to Gmail field, enter the email address to whom you want to send the notification. So, whenever the status of the task is changed to completed or per specified project in your Asana account, Webmethod.iv integration will automatically send a notification via Gmail about the task completion to the specified email address. Also, they mentioned the warning. If the workflow you are trying to similar that like both name are similar, then existing one will replace to your new one. Parameter also they mentioned, and we need to mention your email ID. Okay, and you need to mention the account configuration, Asana account configuration, workspace, team project, and then you can import this particular workflow like recipes in your workflows. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Here we discuss what is a recipe. A recipe is nothing but a pre-built templates you can directly use in your workflow or pro service to reduce the effort, any kind of a design and documentation. Okay. So I hope you enjoying, and if you like this video, then guys please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your own channel. We'll come up with a new session. If you have any suggestion, you can just ping me in a description box, yeah, in a comment section. Will like I'll definitely try to fulfill your queries very soon. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll come up with new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much.